Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinchilla coming to you today with another video. Exciting news guys, I did my very first, I'm wondering if you guys can see me right now, I did my very first lookbook. I'm super duper excited because I had the idea in my head and I made it become reality. I really do hope you guys like it. I really hope you thumbs it up. I really hope you subscribe. I really hope you turn on your post notification, comment, because I work very hard on this. See, I'm sweating my ass right now because I'm telling you I work very hard on this video. Don't judge me. My belly is very fat right now because I've gained a lot of weight, but yeah, working on it. Anyways, I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I hope you guys like the video like I said, and yeah, let me stop rambling. Let's get into it now.
Say me been around few girl, but something about you, girl. My condition, my mind, but me still confused, girl. Love it when